Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of the Market Review. My name is Vasily, I'm your trading coach and professional forex trader. For today's weekly edition, I prepared for you a very nice theoretical lesson. You know, I was looking for a good trading setup to discuss with you, any good trading opportunity to discuss, but you know, it is summertime, the market is slowing down, it is truly very hard to find any good trading setup for my trading strategy. So I prepared for you a lesson on structure paralysis. It is a very interesting thing, and I think many of you notice that, but you just don't know how it's called and how to avoid that. So we will discuss trend lines, we will discuss a very common situation when the market is stuck between two trend lines and we just don't know how to trade it at all. We're just stuck and we are paralyzed. So I think this lesson will be insightful for you. I think it will be interesting. So don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you have any question, always feel free to leave your question in the comment section. I reply to all your questions, so don't be shy and write. Yes, so enjoy this video and let's start. Alright, to discuss structure paralysis, we will discuss dollar Swiss pair, and we will analyze dollar Swiss pair and we'll get what does the structure paralysis mean. So first of all, we're right now on the daily chart. On the daily chart, the first thing to notice right here is that right now the market is trading below this key daily structure. We have our strong key daily structure and the market clearly respects that. Yes, you can see how many times we tested that level, how many times we tried to go above that, but each time failed. Bulls failed and the market dropped and was rejected, you know. So truly we have a key level right here. One more thing to consider right here is that though locally the market is bearish, on the midterm from March, you can see that here is our strong bullish impulse. And right now the market is trading within the range of that impulse. So we can call this the consolidation moment. Though it is the midterm consolidation moment, truly right now the market is not directional. The market is just consolidates within this very wide range of this bullish impulse. Right, so just the minor thoughts about the daily time frame analysis, and one more thing to notice right here if we discuss the details is the falling trend line right here. So the market clearly is following this falling trend line right here. And why do we say that this trend line is important for the market? This trend line was confirmed by three touches. First was here, second here, third here, and you can see that each time when the market tested this trend line, each time we had a strong bearish reaction from that. So truly it served as the resistance for the market. But what happened recently? Recently the market broke above the trend line. We saw the violation of this trend line to the upside, yes, and for many traders it was truly the very strong bullish signal. What is happening right now? Right now the market retests the broken trend line, and on that trend line you can see that the market formed the doji candle. Here we have the perfect doji candle on the trend line, yes, and for many traders it is just the true confirmation to buy, yes, because it's truly the bullish signal. And also look left at structure. Just on the left right here we have our daily structure level, our daily level over here, and it adds confidence in this bullish continuation, right? Because we have a very strong daily structure right here, and just in June, two times, even three times the market was rejected from that level. So yes, so just based on the daily analysis, you can see that the market respected this daily structure, but now it tests the broken trend line, and it might be a good buying opportunity for us. But now let's discuss what's happening on the lower time frame and see the perspective there. So I switched to the 4-hour chart, and on 4-hour chart we just see more details. Yes, we see more details. Here we can analyze the touches of the trend line, yes, and now one more thing that we may notice right here. Let's remove that level for now and analyze very peculiar rising trend line right here. So here we have rising trend line, and once again this trend line was confirmed by three touches. Yes, here was our first bullish movement from that. here was our second movement, and here was our third movement. And what is interesting about this trend line right now is that the market is now trading below that trend line. So just recently we violated this trend line to the downside. We had the violation of this trend line to the downside, and now the market retests the broken trend line, right? And it looks like we see this strong bearish reaction already from that. Yeah, so clearly the market respected that. Yes, so once we reach that weak bearish candle, and then boom, high momentum bearish candle from that. So you can see that right now the market is stuck between two trend lines. We have our major rising trend line, right? Let me remove this arrows right here for the moment, and let's just focus on the trend lines. So we have our major falling trend line. It serves as support, yes, and definitely here goes our support. This rising trend line, it is now serves as the resistance, and from that we expect the bearish continuation. So right now the market is stuck between two trend lines. We have our triangle right here, the triangle where the market consolidates. And and if you sell, definitely you will face with buyers who will buy from this trend line. If you buy, you will face with sellers who will sell from that trend line. So what to do in such kinds of situation? Yes, clearly here we're just paralyzed. We're paralyzed because we have different trend lines. Both were broken, both were respected. So what to do with all that? And in such kind of situations, especially if we have the horizontal structure here as well, we have the horizontal daily structure here as well, I would say that it is just the best moment for us to stay away from the market, just to stay away and just avoid trading this pair at all. Clearly right now it is the decisional moment for the dollar Swiss, and if you will try to trade that, the chances that you will make the correct decision, the chances will be very low. And such moments of indecision, they may last very long period of time. And yes, if the market will start expanding within this triangle, then the potential profits for us will be quite huge. And then trading from the support and resistance of the trend lines, yes, it may give us nice risk to reward perspective, but now the potential is so small, the potential for profits here is so low for us, so it is just no reason at all to be involved, right? So we need the decent violation of these trend lines, either to the downside or to the upside, to clarify what to expect. Because it is summertime, the market may contract even more, it may even more consolidate, and especially if you are a swing trader, it is just good reason for you to stay away. And very often we encounter such kind of situations when the market is just between two trend lines, and not only between two trend lines but also between two structures. Yes, you can treat it like the range, you can treat it right now like the decision horizontal range, but don't forget, never forget about the trend lines, because even if we violate this horizontal structure range, then our trend line is here and we may easily return. Yes, so this is truly called the paralysis, because it's hard for us to pick a side. Yes, locally on the daily right now we are bearish, and we are bearish bias right here, and the chances that the market will continue lower, these chances are higher. But why the hell then the market violated this major falling trend line? Why it violated that if it's so strongly bearish? Yes, definitely something is happening here, and it is very important for us to pay attention, right? So I think this example is decent for you, yes, and truly it is a very, very, very important thing to consider in trading. Alright guys, that's it. So this video was quite short, and I believe it will be around 10 minutes of your time. So it is the first time when I make such short videos, and I really need your opinion about that. So most of the time videos last around 20 minutes, and I truly want to know which format you prefer the most, especially right now during the summertime when we all want to stay outside, play football, play volleyball, and not not listen to a boring trading. So let me know, maybe during this summer it is better to make it shorter, so you can just 10 minutes learn and then enjoy your time. So let me know in the comment section, just write what do you think, and also don't forget to like it, don't forget to share it with your friend, don't forget to subscribe and all this, you know, all this stupid things. So good luck next week guys, always check spreads right now, volatility is quite low, markets are quite slow right now, so be very careful. It is so easy right now during the summertime to break your bank just because we start forcing the signals, we start forcing the trading setup. So be careful, be very, very, very careful right now. Good luck guys.